Hi guys, here at Craven Arms Level Crossing in Shropshire with Craven. Time now is 12:03 on Monday the 23rd of July 2018. And this is for your 1200 expected 05, 1 Victor 39, Arriva trains well service from Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven. Signals have been set for towards Cardiff now. And this barrow is not very good because it's making that stupid noise like some of the East Coast Main Line crossings do, and what Newark Castle does as well, and it doesn't even slow, and it doesn't hit the floor. Well, it does, but it doesn't leave. But it's off the floor. It needs to do better than just doing this to the barrier. That's not what I call a barrow that works properly. It should work more like the one over there, if that works properly, of course. But I don't know about that because I'm only getting one closure here today. This barrow looks a little bit aged as well. Look, it's all rusty, the support, the tension cord thing. It's been here for about 10 years anyway, so I'm not really that surprised. (175 002) 175 002 to Milford Haven.